we are covering creative thinking and divergent problem solving, a critical topic for the CDA exam. This concept is central to the CDA's Competency Goal 2, to advance physical and intellectual competence, specifically within Functional Area 7 on creativity. On the exam, you will not be asked to define these terms directly. Instead, you'll face scenario-based questions where you must identify the educator's response that best fosters a child's creativity. The core distinction you must understand is between divergent and convergent thinking. Convergent thinking aims for a single correct answer, like solving a math problem. Divergent thinking, which the CDA prioritizes, is about generating many different ideas or solutions. Children are naturally skilled at divergent thinking, but this can be diminished if adults impose a one-right-way approach. Your role, and what the exam tests for, is your ability to nurture this innate creativity. For example, an exam question might describe a child using a cardboard box as a spaceship. One answer choice might be to suggest the child use a toy spaceship instead. This is a convergent and incorrect response. The correct answer would involve asking an open-ended question like, "That's an amazing spaceship. Where are you flying to today?" This validates the child's imagination. Another common scenario involves art. If a child paints a purple sun, the wrong response is to correct them by saying the sun is yellow. The high-scoring CDA response is to show curiosity, asking, "Tell me about your purple sun." This encourages creative expression, a key part of Functional Area 7. A frequent exam trap is confusing guidance with stifling creativity. You must redirect a child for safety, for instance, if they try to use scissors on their clothing. However, you must not redirect them simply because their idea is unconventional, like using blocks as pretend food. The exam will test if you can tell the difference. Your portfolio should also reflect this understanding, showcasing learning experiences that use open-ended materials. These are items like blocks, clay, fabric scraps, and natural materials that don't have a single prescribed use. They are the opposite of a puzzle, which has only one correct solution. Providing these materials is a direct way to support divergent thinking. A helpful mental shortcut for exam scenarios is the phrase, "Don't ask, 'What is it?' Ask, 'Tell me about it.'" This simple shift in language moves you from a position of judgment to one of curiosity, which is the foundation for fostering creative and divergent thinking in young children. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.